If we compare the color bands on these resistors, first two bands are similar, but the third band is different. Let's analyze these color codes and we will see the effect of third band. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session, I organized these resistors with first two similar color bands, but the third band is different. Let's decode it, and these are most commonly used resistors in electronic circuits. We will start from the first resistor. We will use this color code chart. You can download this color code chart from the link present in the video description. Here are color names. What is the color and what is its value? First significant digit, that is this one, and second, we will write this value against each color. Third band is called multiplier. We will multiply with this number that is mentioned against that color in this column. Next is tolerance. Tolerance here. Color name, tolerance. First resistor, brown 1, black 0, multiplier 0.01. that means it is 0.1 ohm resistor with plus minus 5% tolerance, the last band gold. Second resistor, brown, black, multiply with 0.1. it is 1 ohm, the last band gold, plus minus 5%. This resistor, 1, 0, then black, that means we will multiply with 1, 10 ohm plus minus 5%. Brown 1, black 0, then multiply with 10. Brown 10 multiplier, that means 100 ohm plus minus 5%. This resistor, brown, black, red, multiply with 100. 1000 ohms or 1 kilo ohm plus minus 5%. Brown, black 0, then 3 zeros. Orange. Multiply with 1 kilo ohm or 1000. That means it is 10,000 ohm or 10k. Last gold plus minus 5%. 1, 0, we will multiply with 10k, 10,000. That means it is 100 kilo ohm resistor plus minus 5%. Then 1, 0, green, 100k, multiplier 100k, 10 multiplied by 100, 1000 kilo ohm or 1 mega ohm plus minus 5%. Then there is other resistor similar to this resistor. It is red, black, blue. If brown, black, blue, that is 10 mega. It is 20 mega. If we have any resistor, brown, black and then blue, that will 10 mega ohm. Using this method, we can read the color codes and we can determine the value and we can test it. If you think this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.